Hi everybody, so this is the third in the series of training using household objects. Now for those of you that saw the first video where we're using tins of beans, I'm sure that you've managed to accomplish all the exercises with the tins of beans and it's probably now too easy. So the good news is you can now eat the beans. But today we're going to use rucksacks and bottles of water. What I want to say to you is that Will publishes the workouts every Monday, and today is no exception, so please look up the workouts for the week and do all the workouts and then use these as additional exercises that you might want to add to your daily workout. So we're going to start with the first rucksack, and what I'm going to suggest to you is that we put in 2 bottles of water in each rucksack. Now you can add more bottles of water as we go on, and what I want to say to you is this: we're going to use these bottles of water to help us to build up strength in the swimming strokes, and we're going to work on fly, front crawl and backstroke in particular. And I just want to demonstrate what we're going to do. We're going to work on the front catch, the front crawl catch, the fly catch, and also the backstroke catch. And then we're going to work on the pull and the push phase. So first of all, I want to demonstrate to you how we do the catch. Now if you've got a problem with your back, support your back with a stool or a chair. Just put the hand on the stool, and what I want you to do first of all is to put your hand, palm open, into the handle for the rucksack and pull. Get 90 degrees to the elbow and pull and pull. Now if your back is good and strong, what I would suggest is that you do it alternately. So right, left, right, left, right, left. And if you want to simulate a 50-metre swim and you're doing between 30 and 40 strokes, then you need to do 15 to 20 on each arm. Second part is to do the catch and the pull phase. So right up to the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right the way up to 10 to 15 to 20. Now for the push phase, what you need to do is you need to hold the rucksacks behind you. Okay, we're going to exercise the triceps, right arm, left arm, right arm, left arm, right arm, left arm, and you need to do 15 or 20 with each one. Now the beauty of doing this is that if you find that even with 2 bottles of water it's not enough, you can add a 3rd bottle of water, or you can even go up by increments by then adding small bottles of water to the sides of the rucksack. Now for those of you who are swimmers, you'll know that one of the most important aspects of competitive swimming is the turn. And you can also use the rucksacks to improve your turn. You know, in the turn we've got to get our feet on the wall and we've got to push off from the wall. So we can do squats. Now squats are part of your exercise routine anyway, but adding additional weight to your squats will also help you to build up additional strength. And you just watch me for the first squat. I'm going to go down, feet flat on the floor. That's not what we want. What I want you to do is, when you come up, is to raise yourself off the toes. This applies also to breaststroke, where you're going to push away with your toes as your feet go back. And the same when you come off the wall. Spring off the wall, push off with your toes. So when you come up, rise off your toes. So down, up, rise. Down, up, rise. Down, up, rise off the toes. For triathletes, it's a really difficult time. If you're training for an Ironman and you're only allowed out for an hour each day, it's not enough. It's not enough. You can't run a marathon. So one of the things that I might suggest is that you put a rucksack with some bottles of water on your back to make the run more difficult. Or add a third bottle, make it more difficult. Then when we get out of lockdown and you take the rucksack off your back, it'll be like you're jet propelled because you haven't got the weight on your back. The last point I want to make is that if you're finding the press-ups easy, and don't forget press-ups are one of the best exercises for swimmers, you can also do press-ups with the rucksack on your back. I hope you enjoy the workouts and I'll see you soon. Bye everybody.